Hello everyone, welcome to Direct English Online Teaching. This video is made for you to learn how to use the website and the platform. So, when you enter the website from the link that we provide you, you will find this page. You will go down and then press Enter Virtual Classroom. It is going to require you to download Adobe Connect. When you download it, when you finish downloading it, you're gonna have to open it. You just wait a little for it to connect. And then you're going to see the platform that we're gonna learn in. I'm your host, so I'm gonna be here, and the participants are here. We have several layers that we can use. For example, this one is the lecture one. I can use it to share my screen with you. And when I share my screen, we can check the book. We can solve exercises. We can watch videos. And we can have several other activities. For you to speak, I have to enable you to do so, and when I do so, you have to click this icon for the mic one. When you click it, everyone else will be able to hear you. So make sure to speak only when you have a question or if you want to answer. As you know, online it can get a little messy. And this platform is to chat with everyone. Here you can practice what you learned and use English, saying hello to everyone and answering questions. If you want to record this session, you can click on meeting and then record meeting to record it, and you can revise with it for the next days. Also, you can test your mic using this audio setup wizard. You can test your microphone like this to see if it functions well, because if it doesn't, you can't interact with other students and your teacher. So that's pretty much it.